Do you know you can stop your phone from receiving calls while your data is still working? You will still be doing everything on your phone, but nobody will call you on your phone. Yes, if you're the type that each time you want to edit your video, shoot your video, people will be calling you. All those annoying calls will be coming. Let me show you how to stop that. You'll be using your data for everything. Oh my God. But nobody will call you. Let me show you. Now, how do you do that? This video is for educational purpose only. Let me show you. Take your phone, go to your dialing pad and dial *21*0026. Just dial this number and send it. Okay? Wait for it. You see, with this, nobody will call you. When the person try to call you, when anyone try to call you, what you will hear is it will cut. It will not go. Okay? So this is magic, and you can do it in all your SIM card if you don't want anybody to call you. Now, how can you cancel it? If you want to cancel it, take that SIM card and dial #21# and send it. Just simple. To deactivate it, they have been deactivated. If this one didn't work, take your phone again, do this one, dial #002#. Send it on that SIM. This one will work effectively. Have you seen it now? This has been a result successfully. This is not joke, guys. Try this. Remember, this video is for educational purpose. Share it so that others will benefit.